It's been a thrilling learning experience.
It's really been a game changer for me.
My name is Esteban Zúñiga. I'm from Costa Rica.
My name is Martin Lorenzo. I'm Spanish, but I'm living in Angola for the last 10 years. EADE was the one chosen because I have evaluated several, not only here in Spain, but as well in Portugal and UK.
I did a bunch of research and it really was, for me, the best option in financial terms, educational terms, and even what I would learn and how I would learn it. What I've learned in the past 5 months, I've definitely been able to apply on a professional level, and I've also been able to apply it on a personal level.
I think that the professors has been very efficiently on combining the academic and the practices with real cases.
It really gives you an example of how you can apply all the theoretical knowledge, frameworks, and methodologies to the real life.
It's really easy to contact with them, and they are very responsive.
The virtual campus is very intuitive and it's super user-friendly.
It's full of information, full of content that you can look into. The main aspect is really the diversity and the so heterogeneous group that we are.
Yeah, for me, this face-to-face weeks really, give me a rich environment and where we can learn a lot, share experiences, and just convey and also have a good time. My medium and long-term goals is continue growing through a management path to continue expanding in my organization. And the soft skills I learn, accompanied by the technical skills, can really give me an edge towards that. Yeah, my main advice would be, first of all, enjoy every case, enjoy every conversation, and be open to even changing your mind, and you'll definitely learn way more than you expect.
Don't have any issue to share previous experience or to ask for support of the colleagues or even the professors. And this Master in Management will give me the tools for going into more managerial positions and managerial subjects that I don't have now.